but buzzing, Amsterdam enjoys all the advantages of a large city, a diverse and tolerant population, rich culture, lively nightlife, an excellent transport system and international dining. Yet it's compact, easy to explore and, thanks to its extensive canal system, light on traffic which gives it a relaxed vibe that everyone will appreciate. Amsterdam is the largest city in the Netherlands. It is the commercial, banking, and industrial center of the country and the official capital, although the actual seat of government is The Hague. Amsterdam's many canals add great beauty to the city, besides providing it with transportation routes. There are more than 50 canals and 500 bridges in the city. A boat trip through the canals gives a visitor a good first view of Amsterdam's attractive old houses and busy modern harbor. Amsterdam's a tolerant, progressive city. Since the 16th century, Amsterdam has welcomed immigrants and, along with them, their many cultures and beliefs. You can walk or get around by bike. It's beautiful, vibrant, and bustling, but it's also very approachable and relaxed.